Hello students, welcome to Term 3 Maths video session. Today we are going to see Maths Unit 3 Patterns. Come, let's get into the video session.
Term 3 Unit 3 Lesson name Patterns. We have already learnt about image patterns and number patterns and also learnt about grouping and repeated pattern. Now let's learn about interactive patterns and processes. Rangoli is created by the grouping patterns of colors and shapes. These are few Rangoli exhibiting such patterns. Pulli Kolams. Pulli Kolams are created by drawing straight lines and curved lines along the pulli, that is, dots. These Pulli Kolams can be extended to any areas by repeating and continuing the patterns of straight line and curves. Patterns obtained by adding numbers. Observe the given table and you can find that there are many ways to get the sum 10. Addition fact. Let us learn how to do the addition fact. Addition fact of 0 is 0 plus 0. We get the answer as 0. Addition factor of 1. In this, we have to write the numbers from 0 to 1. Now, we have to add the reverse numbers, that is 0 we have to add with 1 and for 1 we have to add 0. Now, let us add the numbers. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. This is the addition fact of 1. Now, let us see the addition fact of number 2. Addition fact of 2 is, yes, we have to write from 0, 1, 2 and we have to add the numbers in reverse. 2, 1, 0. Let us add the numbers. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Yes. Likewise, we can find any additional fact for any numbers. Next, find out the missing numbers and write them in the given blanks. Look at the sum. We have the question with one blank and we have the answer. So, we have to find the answer for the blank. For this, we have to subtract the answer with the given question, that is 5 minus 3. So, what is 5 minus 3? 2. So, we have to write the blank with answer 2. Yes. us do another sum with same processing. Here we have to subtract the answer with the question. So we have to subtract 9 minus 7. So what is 9 minus 7? Yes, the answer is 2. So we have to write the answer in the given blank. This is how we find the missing numbers. Next, patterns in repeated addition as multiplication. Multiplication refers to repeated addition. Let us do an example to prove this. Before that, we have to know what is rows and columns. Come on, let me teach you how to find the rows and columns. Any objects or any things that lies horizontally is known as row. Here there is only one row. Any objects or things that lies vertically is known as column. Here there is one column. So we can identify this as 3 rows and 1 column. Likewise, we can identify this as 1 row and 3 columns. So children, I hope you would have understood this. Come, let us move to the sum. In the given pictorial representation, in the first box, we have 3 persons. That is, we have only 1 row. In second box, we have 2 rows. Each row has 3 persons. In the third box, we have 3 rows and each row have 3 persons. Now, we are going to represent this in the repeated addition. So, in the first box, we have 3 persons. So, we have to write 3. In the second box, we have 2 rows. So, it represents 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. In the third box, we have 3 rows. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. This is what we represent in repeated addition. Now, let us move on to the multiplication fact. In the first box, we have only 1 row. So, it should be represented as 1 into 3 is equal to 3. That is, 1 3s are 3. In the second box, we have 2 rows and 3 persons each. 2 3s are 6. In the third box, we have 3 rows and each have 3 persons. So, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Like this, we have to represent the multiplication fact. Do you understand this, children? Okay, let us move on to the next topic. Division as repeated subtraction. Division refers to repeated subtraction. Shall we do the sum for this? 8 divided by 2. Let us do this division as repeated subtraction. In step 1, we will be having 8 apples. Now, we are going to subtract 2 apples from the given apples. So, when we subtract 2 apples, we will be having 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 apples. Yes, correct. In step 2, we will be having 6 apples. Now, we are going to subtract 2 apples from the step 2. Now, we will be having 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. In step 3, we will be having 4 apples. Now, let us subtract 2 apples from this. So, if we subtract 2 apples, we will be having 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. In step 4, we will be having only 2 apples. So, if we subtract all these 2 apples, then we will be having 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, there is no apples. Like this, you can do the divisions in repeated subtractions. I have given you some division facts as repeated subtraction as examples using this pattern. Let's watch. So children, I hope you would have understood this lesson. Let us meet in the next video session. Thank you.